Welcome to this short and yet powerful journey into the world of neural networks. Today, we'll explore two programs, one that builds a neural network from scratch and another that uses deep learning to understand human emotions from text. So, for the first part, we are going to demonstrate to you the I already coded here on a pre-built code of a neural networks. So from the basic, this program shows, as you can see, this program shows on how the simple neural network uses on a numpy. First, we initialize the weights and the bias, the initialization of the weights and the bias. Then in the forward pass, here in the forward pass, we calculate outputs layer by layer using the activation function like the sigmoid we that already been being introduced. As you can see here is the sigmoid. In the backward pass, the network learns by comparing the output with the actual label. This difference called the error. As you can see, the error. It is used to update weights using the method called the backpropagation. Although this approach is slow for the big tasks, it gives us a clear picture on how the neural networks uh, run. And for the code that being built for the sentiment analysis using RNN. So now we understand the basic of the neural networks. Now we are going to understand the more of it. Let's look to the real world application in which this is the sentiment analysis using the recurrent neural network. This program uses the IMBD movie reviews dataset to train model that can classify a review positive or a negative. Here we use the embedding layer to convert words into vectors and RNN layer that remembers the context over time. Perfect for working with this sentence and sequence. After training, the model reaches around 85% accuracy, meaning it can correctly identify the sentiments in the most reviews. This is the power of the deep learning in action. So let's start to simply explain what I already coded here. Okay, first we are going to install the required packages and the pip install numpy tensorflow. Then okay, we are going to explain the code. First, import NumPy as NP. The import NumPy, it is a library used for numerical computations. Then, the, ayan, the sigmoid. The sigmoid is used for the activation function and the derivative is needed for the back propagation. As you can see, the sigmoid and the sigmoid derivative. Then the input x, all possible combination of 0 or 1, as you can see here, and the y is our desired output. As you can see, if you are going to plot this in a truth table, and this is the x or it is the combinations of zeros of one and one. So for the NP random seed, okay, set a seed for reproducibility ensures the same results every run. So if you are going to run, it may it ensures that the result is same. So for if we are going to define this structure, and we have here the input layer neurons is uh, two hidden neurons also and one output neurons as we said. And all weights and bias are randomly initialized as you can see here. It is the weights and the bias initialization. And yeah, this is the loop for training the network by feeding it same data repeatedly or the epoch. And for the forward propagation, we multiply inputs by its weight and add bias and apply the sigmoid activation. For the backward pass, for the back propagation, we calculate the error here for the back propagation and compute how much each neuron contributed using derivatives. Weights are updated using the error gradients and learning rate. And so the logs of average error every 1000 epoch, as you can see. The final output is how well the network predicts the XOR outputs, as you can see here. So for the XOR, it is a simple but it is a non-linearity separable problem. It builds the intuition on the weight adjustment and the training dynamics. So let's now train ourselves on the application of RNN through classifying the movie reviews from IMBD dataset as positive or negative. So we are going to create a sentiment analysis using RNN. So as you can see, the code is already created here. While I'm explaining the code, I'm going to run. So this program will execute. So on the first part, we import the TensorFlow and the required keras for the modules dataset, uh, text processing, and the model building. And we load the IMBD dataset using the top 10,000 most common words. Each review is coded as a sequence of integers. So for the pad sequence, so all reviews have been the same length, 100 words. We required for input consistency in the neural networks. So for the model architecture on the embedding, it converts the word indices to vectors. For the application of the simple RNN, it processes the sequence data as already said before. So for the dense, the final binary output layer with sigmoid for classification. Then we compile the model for we use Adam for optimization and the binary cross entropy for the loss function for binary classification. So we trains the model for 3 epoch using 64 review and uses 20% of training data for validation. So we are going to evaluate the model on the unseen test set and prints accuracy often about 80%. So this is the demonstration of the real world application using deep learning. We use the Keras to ease the development and show the power of RNN in understanding the world order and the sentiment.